What's going on, everybody? Lewis of the Way Your Kicks channel, back again with another unboxing for you here on a sneaker that will be releasing tomorrow 10 a.m. on the Sneakerheads. Now, we already had the release there from A Ma Maniere itself, and I got pretty fast shipping, and I would have brought you this review before, but had a couple other sneakers I definitely wanted to get into before bringing these. But before we get into it, please smash the like button for me if you're new to my channel. Thanks for tapping in. Hit that subscriber button, click that notification bell so you can be notified when I drop these videos. Let's go ahead and take a look at what we got in here, and the label reads Jordan Airship PESP Summit White Greenstone Sale, and this is a personal size 12, like I said, that I got there from the A Ma Maniere site. Now the other thing too is that I got priority access for these, which I probably didn't necessarily need, seeing as how when they released on the A Ma Maniere site for first come first serve, they eventually got pulled because they weren't moving the way they thought they were gonna move. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm glad that I got my pair secured in hand, you know what I mean? But in any case, let's go ahead and take a quick look here at the box. You got those A Ma Maniere printed A's all over, and if you had a pair of the black and white A Ma Maniere Airships, I mean, pretty much a lot of the key details that came with that shoe are on this one as well, but materials are a little bit different, so definitely got to review these. Anyhow, popping open the lid. Now here's the graphic you actually have under the lid here. You got a pair of airships, and someone apparently is taking a jump shot, or at least made it seem like they're taking a jump shot out the basket. Pretty dope though, no problem. Now usually when we get graphics from A Ma Maniere, they usually have some type of graphic from Mike's playing days. This here, I mean, I'm guessing they're trying to say it's Mike doing it, but you know, it is what it is. But we have the standard Airship booklet here that comes with the sneakers. Now, if you saw my video on the Awake pair, you'll see that that was more so based on the Awake shoes themselves. But this here is pretty much a general booklet that they're giving us on the Airship build. I mean, nothing really too crazy in here, you know what I'm saying, like the Awake pair had, where it had Awake all over it and stuff like that. So pretty much a general Airship book. And then here we have the tissue paper itself, and it's those A Ma Maniere A's all over it, and 3, 2, 1, boom. Lots more tissue paper, but let's throw them on the table and we'll take a look at the kicks. All right, so here I got them on the table, and the leather quality is actually pretty nice, but it's not Awake Airship nice. That Awake Airship leather was just super tumbled and soft and crazy leather, but this is decent leather in itself. So in comparison to the Awake pair, I give the leather on here 8 out of 10, but this is no different than the leather we got on the original A Ma Maniere pairs. But let's go over this shoe here. Obviously, we got the all white leather uppers all the way around, and then here on the swoosh, we got that green suede. On the collar, we got the green suede. It says Nike Air there on the back on the right shoe. Taking a look here at the tongue itself. Now, most of the Airships come with this pink tongue, which is supposed to be an aged tongue, quote unquote. Top of the tongue tag there, it is in green, and then we got Nike Air and A Ma Maniere written all in white graphics. On the inside of the sock liner, it's all green in there, but let me give you an up close look, because it does have those A Ma Maniere A's in there, just like the black white pair. Let me take out the insole foot pad. We do have white laces pre-laced here in the shoe. Insole foot pad here has the same A Ma Maniere A detailing as the sock liner does, which is a really nice touch. And then you got the Jumpman 365, and this is actually stitched, as you can see here as I flip over the insole foot pad. Let me go ahead and throw these back in, and we will switch over to the right pair, excuse me, the left pair actually. Now the left pair actually has 2 extra sets of laces attached to it. We do have a green set of laces here. We also have the stained white pair, which is supposed to be aged. And also we have the hang tag here. Now the only difference between the left and the right shoe is the left shoe has the A Ma Maniere A stamped there in the back. The midsole on both of them, they stained these to give it the aging, but again, if you've seen some of my other videos that have the aging on the midsole for the Airships, you can take soap and water and remove that if you desire so. Now me personally, I like the uniqueness that it gives the shoe, I'm not gonna do that. I think it's a nice touch personally. Taking a look here at the outsole, you got the green outsole with some of that white powdering there. That's also supposed to be the aged look. The other thing too I want to say is you can see the thickness and the leather quality, what they do there. They actually stained the edges. Overall, guys, I think these are absolutely dope. I'm gonna throw these on feet and then we'll go ahead and close out the video. So let me know, cop or drop on the A Ma Maniere Emerald Greens. These were definitely a cop for me, but I want to know your thoughts and opinions on the shoe itself. Let me know down there in the comment section, guys. I'd love to hear it. In any case, thank you once again for tapping into another one of my videos. This is Lewis of the Wear Your Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stand on one, and don't forget, every day's a great day to wear your kicks.